Hello and welcome back. Today I am here to talk about another orange mead that I made. If you are new to the channel or haven't seen my orange mead video, check that out at the link that pops up somewhere around here. And that's where this all started. So I at first I made the 3 gallons of orange mead. I think it was 6 pounds of Cara oranges. So I got the zest off of all of the oranges, used about half the zest to make my orange mead base. And then I froze the juice. And then what I did with the juice was I froze it, put it into a sieve or a colander to get the concentrated juice off of the bottom of it. Or, well, it was on the top, but I flipped it over. Anyway, I got the concentrate to melt into a bowl, took the water that was on top that was still a little orangey, drank it. And then I split the orange juice concentrate that was left over. It was about 5 ounces per 1 gallon carboy. I just put 5 ounces in each one. So that's where we were at. What am I getting at here? Okay. So this one, so now we have our orange base mead, and then after it had completely dried out, I added my 5 ounces of orange juice. This mead it's called Friendship Tea Mead. I don't know if anybody remembers. We had a family member that every year she'd make candies and different things for Christmas and give it to our family. And one of the things that I always loved was what I now know is called Friendship Tea, and it's a spiced orange tea made with tang. So good. Obviously, I don't have tang, but I have a lot of lemon zest, and or not lemon zest, orange. Well, I have that too, but orange zest and orange extract as well. So I feel like I can make this very orangey. What I went ahead and did, so I had to research to figure out how to make the friendship tea. I had never made it before. And basically, it was tang, some lemon drink, I don't know, Crystal Light or lemon Kool-Aid, something that has like a strong lemon essence, dry tea, usually Earl Grey tea, and then some of the recipes only had cloves or cinnamon, and I decided to use both because I'm pretty sure there's clove and cinnamon in the tea that I liked. So what I did was I got my cloves, my cinnamon, I got some Earl Grey tea. I'm not a big fan, but I bought some for this. And the zest of half a lemon, and I went ahead and added all of those into secondary. I put a bag of Earl Grey tea into secondary along with 1 clove, going easy on the cloves, 1 cinnamon stick, and like I said, the zest of about half a lemon. I added quite a bit. And then I allowed this to sit for, I want to say it went closer to 2 weeks. Hold on, let me check my notes. Okay, there we go. Um, okay. So once I did that, I let it go for, I want to say 1.5 to 2 weeks. And I backsweetened it with 6 ounces of honey. And this is where, again, I really wanted the orange and the citrus to pop out, and it wasn't really at this point. So I added orange and lemon extract to taste. So I just played mad scientist and just like poured some in, tasted, poured some in, tasted until it got to where it tasted good to me. I also added, I made a really strong cup of black and Earl Grey tea. And I felt like it was missing some of that tannin. So I did add a cup of black/Earl Grey tea to the mix as well. And then I pasteurized it in the carboy. Which one's which, because I forgot to put the labels back on, but I'll figure it out based on how they smell. Anyway, I'm going to go and bottle these, and then we will be doing a tasting. So I will be right back. Thank you. Hello, and here we are. Time went by really fast, and we are here to taste the Friendship Tea Mead that I made. I started this back in February, so it's been a little while. And this is the one, well, you just watched the video, so I'm not going to go into it again because I tend to repeat myself. I'm going to go ahead. I put it in. I found this 4-leaf clover jug at the thrift store I was really excited about, but I found it after I made my St. Patrick's Day mead. So the Friendship Tea is breaking in my jug. And I will go ahead and pour this. Whoop. See if I can. Let's go easy on it.
It's a tasting, not a wasting.
Yes, it's a tasting, not a wasting. There you go. Okay, so just like the other orange, this one is beautiful. It's clear, has that orange hue to it. This is a little more yellow.
It's definitely more golden yellow, yeah.
But, well, I can smell the spices. So there's cinnamon and clove in this.
It does smell like when you open up your tea cupboard and there's all the different smells.
Yeah, it smells really nice.
Wow, that's an interesting flavor.
Oh, I think it's good.
Yeah, it's very robust.
It's fiery yet soft. Okay, so let me take another sip here.
There's a lot of different flavors going on in there, and it's hard to really pick one out.
So I can taste the lemon and orange. There's definitely that citrusy at the back where like it sticks kind of at the back of your tongue. You can taste that, but up front, the cinnamon and clove, I think, are really present. And I only put one clove in here. So if you like cloves, you could put more, but I'd say one did the trick. Like,
is there vanilla in it?
Yeah.
Okay, I can smell the vanilla.
Wait.
It smells like vanilla, whether there is or not.
I don't think I put vanilla in this. Pretty sure I didn't add vanilla, but it has that like, gosh, that's hard to place.
Mm-hmm. There's a flavor that it feels familiar, but I don't know what it is. It's friendship. That's what it is.
Yes, it tastes like friendship. Well, that's why it's called Friendship Tea. It does taste like the Friendship Tea, but with like an alcoholic.
It's going to get a lot. It's going to get a lot more friendly if you have some of this.
It's 12.5% ABV is my estimate for what this is at the end here. But I didn't add too many additional liquids or anything to it. I added some honey and I added the orange juice concentrate, but really I didn't add much more to it other than just the spices and the orange. And oh wait, I did orange and lemon maybe it is.
I think it is the orange that I'm tasting. I'm trying really hard to figure this out. It's what it is it's like orange Fanta or like a fake orange flavor. That's what it is.
Yeah, it's very there. The orange is definitely there. Like if you let it sit in your mouth and really taste it, it's a spiced orange. Mm-hmm. That's what it is. And I added lemon to it because and Earl Grey tea rounded this out with a little black tea too. This is a really nice drink, I'd say. Maybe that's what it is.
Remember when they had that Kool-Aid that was like half Kool-Aid, half tea?
No.
Oh, well, you were missing out.
I didn't drink a lot of Kool-Aid as a kid. I missed out. Although I do like the black cherry Kool-Aid. Maybe I should make a black cherry Kool-Aid mead.
It's orange and tea. It's making me remember Kool-Aid tea.
Nice. Well, that's what I was going for. I was going for that Friendship Tea, which is tang, Crystal Light, like lemon Crystal Light, powdered tea, and then cinnamon and cloves.
So it's just fancy Kool-Aid, really, if you ask me.
It is. I think this would be a nice holiday gift.
Yeah.
That and the chocolate orange. I might just go for it and make a big batch of this and the chocolate orange because. Oh, and then I made an orange creamsicle too. We haven't bottled that yet, but when we do the tasting for that, I'm excited about that too. So I highly recommend orange. If you like oranges, orange for mead.
Yeah.
Very
Seems
good.
to work well.
Yeah, these have turned out wonderful. Anyway, well, is there anything else we can say about it?
No, I think we've covered it pretty well.
Okay. Well, I hope this video is useful, and I will put the additions that I put into secondary in the description below. You can watch the original orange mead video to see how the base mead was made, and we'll see you next time. Thank you.
But
Bye.